And I welcome back to my channel, the Data Professor, where we will tell you or we will teach you, we will train you, and we will mentor you on anything wey you need know for data. Na me dey tell you anything wey you wan know for data. And I welcome again. Today, wetin I wan teach you today na how you fit see your cell wey no get value, wey no get number of cells inside am. You understand? So how I go wan take I go show you how you go take see am and how you go take fix am. Na one thing wey you know wey you sabi problem na another thing wey you sabi how you go take fix the problem. Oya make I no waste your time, make we dey go. Now na the data wey we wan check be dis. If you look am you fit see am say we get some data, we get some value wey be say e dey missing. Make we find am. And how you go take find am? The first thing wey you go take find am na make we see the number wey dey missing first. We go use excel function using be equal to we come do count. Now you wan count the number of blank wey dey dis cell, right? We come do from A1, make we check from A1 to E11. Make we close am, make we run am. E say we get three missing values. Okay, make we write am for here. Missing values. The missing value we get na three. Oya make we come tell excel make e go identify the three missing values wey we get for us so we go fit handle am. So the next thing wey we go do is we go highlight the whole sheet or the whole range wey we dey find. We use control A to don highlight am. We go come use control G, right? Control G na shortcut for go to if you wan send excel message make you go highlight only the place wey missing value dey. You dey call am blank. Right? No forget say na blank we count wey be say na three. Oya we do special oya go find the blank for me. You come click OK. You see am you don find am for us. Now the next thing wey you go do be say you no fit just leave am for am. The day wey you sabi the problem na that day you go solve am. Now I don see say I get three students for here. Oya make I solve am. You go come your formula down, come type wetin you wan put inside. No forget say na because say we no know wetin dey there, but we no fit just leave am like that. So make we just represent that thing wey we no know by one particular value. So you go come call am unknown because you no know am, right? Now you see say you don enter this place, but I no wan leave am like this. I just wan make you enter I wan make you enter everywhere. So I come hold my control and I go hit enter. You see am na so e show. As you don enter now, you see say my missing value don go zero. You understand am? So na so e be. Abeg make una no forget make you like, make you share my video so that other people wey need this video go fit see am. And you now you go dey see more of the video and the con ten t wey I dey give wey go fit help you for excel and any other analytical tool wey you wan learn. No forget make you put wetin you want next inside the comment section. I dey for you. Na me, the better professor. I go see you for my next video. Bye bye.